Light can be focused. To manipulate light, you must first block it. Without barriers, it spreads to everything around it. If you try to contain it too much, it leaks and spreads like water across a surface. It can be bounced, redirected, and diffused. But without purpose, it can wash even the darkest areas into overexposed chaos. Don't think of light as the enemy. It's a friend having a conversation with you, helping both sides understand what the other wants. If you fight the light, you'll end up in the darkness, lost, searching for why it left. To understand light, you must understand its nature. It has a duality, both warm and cold. When you embrace its warmth, feelings of euphoria emerge, yet, in an instant, it can turn to coldness, like being swallowed by the ocean itself. Light also holds a key to a hidden door that stands as plain as the sun itself: intensity. It can kiss your skin, or if you're not careful, transform your very behavior. It can be dimmed to melt shadows, or intensified to sharpen even the dullest edges. Light can be a laser beam, spread and redirected, passing through time itself. It's something to be wielded, manipulated, and even muted. Embrace the light as your guide through this journey of discovery, remembering it can be shaped and focused to shed clarity on the very subject you wish to see: yourself.